As we settle into 2026, AI agents have become the standard for scaling customer interactions. So today I'm going to show you how we handle this here at Plivo using our Vibe agent. It's a single platform where you can build conversational agents that sound natural and handle complex tasks. We're going to set up a voice agent in this video, but we have to build the system to be flexible so you can run this on SMS, WhatsApp, Slack seamlessly. We also know an agent is only as good as the data it can access, which is why we support integrations with major platforms like Salesforce, WooCommerce, Shopify, and Calendly. Plus, we are a true one-stop shop for your infrastructure. You can buy your phone numbers directly from us, so you don't have to manage multiple vendors. You can start for free right now on our pay-as-you-go plan. In this session, we'll build an agent that watches your support queue and escalates high-priority issues to a human. Create a voice AI agent that monitors incoming support tickets and escalates critical issues in real time in Zendesk. The agent should analyze content for urgency indicators, assess severity based on keywords and customer sentiment, categorize issues by priority level, automatically route high priority tickets to senior support staff or human agents, and send instant notifications when critical issues are detected. Here's how it works. The AI doesn't just blindly build, it acts as a consultant. Here you can see the agent working in real time to analyze our prompt. It then provides us with options for how the agent should be triggered. We can clarify here that we want an inbound voice agent that handles the calls and updates the backend systems. Next, the agent identifies the tools we need. Since we mentioned tickets and alerts, it automatically suggests connecting Zendesk for ticket creation and Slack for team notifications. We simply check the boxes to enable these webhooks. Before dragging a single node, the AI proposes a logical flow. It outlines a strategy: greet the caller, collect details, analyze the sentiment, and then split the path. Critical issues go to Slack and a human agent. Routine issues get logged as tickets automatically. This looks solid. It has successfully separated the workflow into critical/high priority paths for emergencies and medium/low priority paths for standard inquiries. We can then give it the green light. Now, Vibe Agent constructs the actual infrastructure. It's creating the logic nodes, setting up the NLU to detect keywords like system outage or data breach, and wiring up the API connections to Zendesk and Slack. But what if we missed something? We realized we didn't have a path for customers who decline a callback or if a transfer fails. Instead of manually fighting wires, we just tell the AI, add a fallback intent, and watch how it intelligently inserts new logic into the existing workflow. It updates the architecture in real time, adding a node to ensure that if a human agent isn't available, the caller isn't just hung up on. They are gracefully guided to a voicemail or a ticket confirmation. Here is our final deployed agent. You can see the logic clearly here. If the caller mentions a critical issue, the flow goes left. It immediately pings the team on Slack and routes the call to a senior agent. If it's a standard request, the flow goes right. It logs a Zendesk ticket and gives the user a confirmation number, saving your human agents valuable time. In just a few minutes, we've built a fully integrated, voice-enabled support triage system that understands urgency and automates escalation. That is the power of Plivo's Vibe agent.